Hello guys, welcome to the MK BirdNet Services channel. Right now we are in the experience art song in sector 108 Gurgaon. We have installed the bird net in this balcony. Here you can see the bird net which we have installed, and here our technician right now stitching the nets at the AC point so that pigeon cannot sit on this AC and stop the pigeon droppings and protect the balcony's view and maintain the hygiene of our balcony. So it is very good to install this co-polymer nylon transparent which can last for more than 5 years, and on the complimentary we are providing 2 years warranty including our free maintenance services. So for more information you can visit our website www.mkbirdnets.com, or else you can contact us on our landline number 8700123661. Thank you and have a nice day. Sabah khair. Jai Hind.